The positivist school of criminology represents an entirely different paradigm of thought about how the world works compared to the classical approach. It developed as a direct response to questions regarding the key assumptions and limitations of the classical school. Instead of centering in on our free will to make our own choices, positivism concentrates on the limits to that free will. Do we really have total agency, a capacity to act independently, or are there other forces at work, constraining our agency? Positivism focuses on these other forces that influence our behavior and constrain our ability to make free choices. It was influenced by scientific advances in natural sciences, namely the use of the scientific method. If these scientific principles, generating and testing hypotheses, measurement, observation, experimentation, all apply to the natural world, they could be applied to the study of human social behavior as well. Numerous scholars were influential in the origins of positivism, but probably the most notable was French philosopher Auguste Comte, as he was the first to use the term and is often referred to as the father of sociology. Comte believes societies should solve problems objectively based on facts and evidence as opposed to superstition and speculation. He argued there are three stages of societal development: theological, metaphysical, and positive. Society had previously been in a long theological stage, driven by religion, superstition, satanic explanations of behavior. Then the onset of the Enlightenment, and along with it, the classical school, began to move society more toward the metaphysical, the abstract, behavior based on rational choice, free will. The third and final stage society should move toward is positive, based in science. Instead of revealing the nature of the world through abstract reasoning, it would be revealed through the systematic scientific study of social behavior. At this stage, the only things that we could truly know for certain are those we can directly observe. This also points to the downfall of positivism, at least in terms of how it was originally conceived and applied. It argued that reality could be determined with certainty through objective collection and analysis of data. Claims were given added legitimacy due to an erroneous assumption of objectivity. It can't be wrong because it's scientific. We're just following the data. Despite these early attempts at using the scientific method resulting in some very poor and very harmful theories, positivism did lay the foundation for future scientific study of criminality.